In this video, I will give you a full review of the platform eToro. How good can you leverage trade long and short Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, stocks, ETFs, commodities, and so on. I will show you all of that in this video. If you want to create an account on eToro, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link. You will get to exactly this page right here. You can start right away. You just have to click right here on Join eToro. And then all you have to do is just enter a username, email, or just use Facebook or Google sign up. And then you will already have an account. You will go through the easy, quickly process of verifying your account, and then you're ready to go. The link right to this sign up page right here is down in the description. One specifically if you are from the United States and one if you are from any other country. Once you've created an account and you log in for the first time, the page will look like this right here. And of course, first I want to show you how you can deposit any money, and you simply have to go down here on the left bottom, click on this button, deposit funds. You'll get to this page right here where first you can choose the currencies, or euro, United States dollar, the British pound, Australian dollar, whichever one you would like. For example, let's go for United States dollar. Then you can choose between these different methods. For example, a regular bank transfer. If you choose that and you click on continue, you'll get right to this page right here where you will get all the information that you need for the bank transfer, as you can see right here. Of course, you have to include this number right here in your reference code. You can see the recipient name, you can see the account number, everything you need for the bank transfer. The other options are, of course, simply your credit card or debit card. You can just enter your card details and make a deposit that way, which is also instantly. And of course, you can also use, which is really useful, PayPal. If you click on here, you simply have to enter your email address and then click on continue, and then you will be redirected to the PayPal page. Similar is if you have, if you buy something, and then you can see the amount, just confirm it, and then you will have the money here as well directly. All right, so once you have made any purchase, you can always check the number right here. It should be here under cash available. And once you have the money here, you know it has already arrived. All right, so once you have the money deposited and you can see it right here, we can now make our first trades. First, I want to show you a little bit about the platform. So first you have this home tab right here. You can see some of the news, as you can see. You can also follow people, comment and like their posts. So pretty much like a social media platform. Then of course you have your watch list. So you can put any of the different assets on your watch list and you can track the prices right here, so you can have them quickly available. Of course, the next step is your portfolio. So if you have made any trades and you have anything opened, you will all see that all right here. And next tab is discover. So here you can pretty much look out for new investments. You can search for anything. You can see stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, currencies, and ETFs. All of that right here. And you also down here have the tab for copy trading. If you need detailed videos on any of that, I have them linked down in the description, but let's look into how opening a trade works for here. You can of course search for anything. Let's say I want to search for a German stock called SAP right here. You will have this overview. You can see the price chart right here. You can see some other stats about the stock that you might want to see. Same goes for any other type of investment. You can see any additional information about all of these different assets. If you want to open a trade for any of these assets, let's say for this one right here, you can simply go here and click on trade. You can now say if you want to have a short position, sell, or buy a long position. You can choose the leverage. If you just choose a 1x leverage, you will buy without any commission, and you will simply just buy the stock without any leverage added. So your profits will be the same as the price of the stock will behave. You can enter here the amount that you want to invest in the stock. Let's say $500. You can set a stop loss and take profit. Let's say if it goes to $50, if it goes down $50, that would mean at this price, it automatically calculates for you. And let's say I want to have a profit of $250. 50% of my own capital, and at this price it automatically calculates everything for you. I can just say open trade, and then the order will be opened. I can now go back to my portfolio and I can see it here. Everything I need to know. I can see how many units I have, at what price I opened, how much I've invested, what's my profit and loss, also the percentage. If I click into it, I can see again, this is my buy position when I opened it. I can see the stop loss and take profit again. I can also edit them at any point. Just enter, change up these numbers, click on update, and you will have it changed right here. And of course, you can now leave it open like that, go back, add new investments to your portfolio. Pretty much that's how the visual interface right here works. Pretty organized, I would say. And if you want to close any position, you can simply go here to close. You can say, I only want to close part of the position, for example, take half of the profit or something like that. In this case, just going to close all of it. Just click on close trade, and you pretty much are out of the position again. So that's pretty nice. Very low fees on the platform as well. Some of the assets, if you don't use any leverage, you can even trade without any commissions at all, which is really nice. And I would just say the variety of assets that you can invest in, as you can see right here, you can invest in any cryptocurrency pretty much. They have so many right here on the platform. You can invest at them with just one click. You have different indices, for example, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and so on. You have different ETFs. You can invest in commodities, whatever one you would like, even currencies. You can invest into them. It's incredible how much different possibilities you have on the platform, which I really like. It's really simple and organized all in one platform. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to say. If you need additional tutorials, I've linked them in the description. But that's it for this review. Don't forget to create an account on eToro by using the link down from the video description to instantly get to the right sign up page. You can enter your details and you're ready to go directly. As always, if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.